Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your live stream or your broadcast resolution. So if you want to stream at like 720p, 1080p, or up to like 4K or something like that, if there is an option available later on the PS5 Pro. So to do this on your PS5, we can just open up the screen by holding down the share button, and then if we go on over to broadcast right here, we can go to the three little dots once we sign into YouTube or Twitch. Let's go to this, and we can go to broadcast options. And then we can include the camera, display chat, display activity, the overlay, and then right down here is video quality. So we have 1080p at 60 frames per second, 30, then we have 720p at 60, or 30 down here. I'd say stream at 60 frames per second if you have the option. So I'd go 720p at 60 rather than 1080p at 30. I think if I'm playing like Call of Duty or something, it'll look a lot nicer on your stream because it'll be a lot more seamless. So we have these options right here. Now another thing that we can do is go back to the home screen, go up to settings, scroll on down to captures and broadcast, and then we can do under here, we can go to broadcast, and then here is video quality as well. Then we have audio as well right here, include party audio. And then overlays and chat to speech if we want to turn that on as well. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.